Sometimes old is good, and sometimes old is just old. It's the same with that old garage door of yours. Call the experts at Above and Beyond Garage Doors. We supply and install the finest, top-of-the-line selection of garage doors. Or, if you simply require service to an existing automatic garage door, our certified technicians are trained to handle any problem, big or small. Whether you've got a single-car or multi-car garage, call Above and Beyond Garage Doors today, where all of our best jobs are open and shut, serving Suffolk and Nassau counties.
If you pull up a chair, be ye angel or beast, because this one right here is the last masterpiece.